Hello, people. Hello, everybody. Today, I bring this perfume, Rich Gentleman. This perfume belongs to the house of geparlys company, the French house, and this perfume is created to be the better alternative of Givenchy Gentleman, the eau de toilette version. I used before I used this one, and after my experience, I think it's close very well to Givenchy Gentleman, and I recommend this one because you can find this one with less price in the market. Uh, uh, I will describe before describe the scent. Uh, I will show you the box and the package. It comes in package like this. The package is good. Uh, in the front side, you will notice this. The name of the perfume, Rich Gentleman, Johanby. Johanby, this is a small company that belongs to geparlys. There is a lot of small company for this house. I will do a special video to describe these companies: Johanby, Geminaby, Glenperry, a lot of. As I say, this is the front side. This perfume comes in eau de toilette, 90 ml, and in the back side you will notice some information regarding the company and the composition of the perfume. Here you will get this sticker. This sticker, it means it's original. In the back side of the perfume, you will see the batch code of the perfume, 60 78/12, and we'll get also some informations how to use and how it's stored, and that's it. In the top side there is nothing. In the other side is also there is nothing. Here we go, and this is the package. Now I would like to describe with you the bottle. Also, this bottle, as I said, comes in 90 ml. It's very heavy. See with me. I use it a lot of. Now it's a year. It's been a year, and almost it's maybe 1 ml or 2 ml. As you see here in the front side, you will notice this name, Johanby, Rich Gentleman. The back side, nothing. The bottle is very designed. I like it. In the bottom, you will see this sticker here. This sticker, it's good. Uh, The cup, it's a good one, but, because you can hold it with no falling. Uh, it's good material. It's plastic material, but the good plastic, as you see here, uh, I love it so much. See with me the sprayer of this one. It's a gray sprayer. When you will find also this logo from the top. I used it before. I don't think it's gonna be shared with us this prayer. Hmm, there is some sprays. Wow, it's good. Okay, now we will describe the scent. The scent. When you spray in the first time, you will immediately get a bump of citrus. If you like fresh perfumes and the citrusy perfumes, so this one is for you. If you find this one, just buy it. As I said, this perfume is belongs to the line of citrusy, spicy, musky, ambery. This is the line of this perfume. In the base note, you will get that amber and this one, as I said, it's to be the clone of Givenchy Gentleman, the eau de toilette version. When we see the relation between the price and the scent, and the price versus the longevity and the sillage, I think this is a big deal because you can find it with 20 to 30 dollar in the market easily. With this performance, you can get more than 8 hours uh, on the skin, and more than 12 hours on your clothes. The sillage is very, very performance. When you wear it, everybody will notice that uh, you walk from that place, because the CS is very, very good. I recommend it very well, especially for persons who like to wear who would like to buy some perfumes that is very versatile, to wear it and to use it in all occasions, all the day long, all the wherever where you want. Working out, or going with your friends in wedding, in working. It's also an office fragrance. I recommend to get this one. If you find it, just buy it. And also, if you like the line of Givenchy Gentleman, you will also like this one. And that we have today. Thank you for watching this video. This is Madjid, this with you from Perfume Space. Today I bring for you this beautiful fragrance. It's almost done. Rich Gentleman that created to be the best alternative for Givenchy Gentleman Eau de Toilette. And just subscribe and hit the button to get always our new news from reviewing perfumes. And in the end, I would like to say to you, if you want to do some reviews to some perfumes, just let me in the comment and I will do for you, because this one it's been a long time when it's finished, and it was stored in my store. One of my followers said to me, Abmajid, please do a review for us. And I do that review, and that's what I love to do, always to share with you and describe fragrances. And thank you. See you later.